Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 5 of my best and tested ways to make a passive income online. Let's dive straight in. One thing I have to first share with you is that making a passive income online really takes time. You have to be patient, you have to put in the work. It is not a one-night success. It requires your effort, energy and putting in time so that you can really make some good money off that. But that aside, it is something that is real, it is something that you guys can earn out of. That is when really thought of and implemented well. Also having a community of people who are going to buy or people who are going to keep an ear on your recommendations, on your services and things like that. On the list, number 1, I have join an affiliate program. There are so many affiliate programs out there, but I will just mention the few that I have been using or the few that I use. One, you can join Amazon Affiliate. Amazon Affiliate is a platform whereby you can get a percentage sale for every successful sale that is made through your affiliate link. Those affiliate links are links that you just place on your website and in your social media handles, social media links, on YouTube or anywhere else. And so that when someone clicks on that link and they go to that platform and they purchase any other thing, even if it's not what you basically recommended, you get a commission of every purchase that person makes. Besides Amazon Affiliate, there are also other affiliate programs. Like me personally, I'm a big fan of Elementor. Elementor is a page builder plugin that you can use to build beautiful websites, dragging and dropping and using a live editor. So it's something that doesn't require you to have any coding knowledge. So I find Elementor an interesting tool. So I also recommend it to people who are looking out for a tool that they can easily use to build websites without having a hassle. So actually then also decided to join an affiliate program from Elementor, and this is something that I personally use and I personally believe in, and I also wish to recommend to another person. And when someone makes a purchase through a link that I recommend or through my affiliate link with Elementor, they are not charged any extra back. So you guys should check out different affiliate programs and see which actually would work in your niche. On my number 2 is that you can start an online store. Gone are the days that it needed you to have your own products actually to run an online store. Today you can sell products that you never even have a physical touch on. Dropshipping is basically a platform that you can use to source products from a supplier anywhere around the world and have those products appear on your store that you build from wherever you are. And when clients come and purchase from your store, those products will be shipped by the supplier to the client. So you never get a physical touch on the product, but you get a commission of every successful sale that goes through your store. So there are so many tools that you can use both in WordPress and other platforms like Shopify. I personally run an ESTORE whereby we sell handmade artifacts. I source them from really talented artists and artisans in my community, and I receive a commission of every successful sale that I make for any of the item appearing on the website. So it can be that you are running an online store, you're actually not in contact with the suppliers or even the people who make the items, or it can be that you run an online store whereby you have physical contact with the suppliers and the people making the products, and you're also involved in the daily running of the venture. On my number 3 is start a blog. A blog is something really interesting. I've personally run my blog now for 2 years, since 2017, and I've found so many exciting opportunities by running a blog. You can do a couple of things. You can join an advertising program just like AdSense, whereby Google displays ads on your blog. Google, through their program called AdSense, pays you a commission of every successful click that is made. And it is something you can actually check out, but it requires you to enough people who are clicking on the ads. So if you don't do AdSense, you can sell ad space. Selling ad space may be that you're running your blog, you have really high traffic, and then you invite private companies, you invite private individuals, public figures to sell them spaces in terms of, like maybe in the widget or within the content or in the header or somewhere in the footer, and they pay for a number of impressions a month. So it can be roughly from $50, from $100, it can be $200, depending on your audience and the traffic and the return on investment for the client. The other thing you guys have to check out is sponsored content. Like, this is something I've personally found so interesting that actually earns more if you really put out great content on your blog, great content on your website, and you have a reasonable amount of people who are reading your blog. So other people who are in that same niche where you are publishing, or people having products or services, they would wish to work with you, and these people are willing to pay a couple of bucks for publishing that content. The payment varies on your negotiation power and your audience and your experience. On the number 4 is selling stock photos. I've personally not been in the photo selling business, but I've sold photos. Way back, I decided that I should start putting out my photos so that people can use them for free on different platforms, because I've also been using other people's photos and interesting at no cost. So I decided that I can also, contribute to this platform and also help out other creators who are looking for photos. Could be in my community, my surrounding, and those photos are not probably in their community, or people who don't have access to a gear and yet they need photos to use. So I started contributing to this platform, just a few photos, and I realized they got so many impressions, they got a number of downloads, and before I knew it, all people were reaching out to me and they wanted to probably get the same photo that I took, but in a different angle. So, and someone is willing to offer a couple of bucks, 50, 100, 200 for a photo, or 300, depending on the size of the photo, the location, and what they want to use it for. And so I'm thinking, if you take it like a real big time business, that you're going to sell photos through your platform, whether your blog or by joining the program, maybe on iStock photos or something like that. So it can be, photos, it can be audio, if you can produce good audio, it can be videos, like video intro. So you guys should consider thinking about selling stock resources from photos, audio, and videos. The very last is create your own product. Why not? Why not create your own product? If you have something you're passionate about, you can make something out of nothing, then why not go for it? I'll just give you an example. My shirts. I don't sell these shirts as a business, but I find that my readers, my followers, people in my community, they ask that they want to own a shirt from my blog, GoTechUG. It can be, pens that you customize for a separate brand or for your own brand. It can be that you bought maybe headgears that you put a logo for someone. It is all about your imagination. So you can create your own product and sell those products. Yeah, though I have to tell you that selling your own product is way harder compared to affiliate marketing, but selling your own product actually earns more compared to the affiliate market. So guys, those are my 5 tested ways you can make a passive income online. So I want you guys to go down in the comment box below and share with me some of your interesting passive income ideas. I'll be interested in learning about your ideas. Let me know in the comment box below. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later, channel. Right? Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please go and click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to click also on the bell so that you can always get a notification when I send out new content.